And a very good Friday, everybody. March the 5th, 2021. Time to check out the weather. My name is Jewel, and this is the Weather Channel of J7409. Thank you so much for clicking play and checking out all the weather with me today. Starting out with the temperatures. Now, a lot of us are seeing quite a difference from yesterday. It's going to be cold, cold, cold. These are not the wind chills. These are just the Fahrenheit temps up in the northeast. I'd say from Washington, D.C. to Maine, you're going to feel some cold temperatures between today and tonight, as you can see, in the 20s and 30s for the most part. Down in North Carolina, Virginia, yesterday we had mid-60s to upper 60s. Today we're going to be in the upper 40s to lower 50s. Hot spots still down south with Florida, Alabama, Georgia, Mississippi, Louisiana. Over in Oklahoma, you're going to see a big change today too. You were very, very warm yesterday. You're going to be in the 50s today. As we move a little further over to the west on the coast, looking like Washington State, along mid to coast, western coastline here, you're going to be probably in the 40s, maybe even some 30s when you get a little closer. Oregon, along the coastline in the 50s. Move a little further to the east, you should see some 60s. California warm for the most part, except for the northern areas right up in here. What about nighttime lows? Well, now you can see all of that cold is going to be coming down from Canada with the system that's coming down Maine. Look at this, 6 degrees, maybe even 5 up in these areas. Boston, you're going to be around 10. New Jersey in the 20s. It's just going to get exceptionally cold, folks. Even the Florida Panhandle is going to start to cool down, and all of the southern states for the most part. Over in Oklahoma, you should be in the mid-30s. So this cold is coming down, Washington, D.C., all the way up to Maine. You're going to be cooler today than you were, but you're going to be really cold by tonight. So prepare. Here's a surface map, but before we get into that, I'd like to say, yes, it's going to be cooler for the next few days in all of these areas that I just showed you. But by next week, probably by Wednesday, it's going to be like a light switch from cold to cool to plain old hot. So let's see if this plays out like it looks like it's going to. Now, you've heard me talk about the low that is right in this area for today. Now, looking like by Saturday, look at here, Florida, you could possibly have 3 lows coming through, so get right. You'll probably have some gusty winds. You're going to have a lot of rain. And this will probably go through Sunday also. Should start up sometime tomorrow, run through Sunday. So lots of rain for Florida. Prepare and get ready. So far as severe weather goes today, we have this chance of thundershower activity from Texas, Oklahoma, and Louisiana, as you can see. Now, up in Oklahoma, you're going to be right where that line's going to be. You could have, and also Texas, maybe a little hail mixed in with these. I'm not going to say that's going to happen. It's just a possibility with the way things are setting up. There should not be any downdraft winds or anything or tornadoes at this time with the severe weather, but look out, you will have that real good chance of thunderstorms as that low's moving down and across, getting right to go over to Florida for the weekend. I wanted to take a quick look at the GFS map for you folks. Just turn it on and let it play through right quick. This is the regular GFS map. It's going to go through time. Now you can see the cold. The cold front comes down, then it starts to warm back up by next week. But we will have some more storms coming in by the mid-section of March, as it looks like heavy rain and snow coming up in these areas with the chance of freezing rain. So winter's not over yet, folks. The flooding, I want to talk about that right quick. In central Kentucky, It's still going on. It's trying to decrease a little, but now it's moving up into Cincinnati, Ohio. Yes, around Cincinnati, Ohio. Flooding is going on there now also. Now, as you can see, we do have more snow that is going to be coming in for the Northeast about the mid section of this month, along with some freezing ice. So winter's not over yet, folks. Here we have my future radar, and this is going to take us right on through to around, I'd say, Sunday afternoon. We'll have to wait and see what pops up, but I think that's it as I looked at it earlier today. Before I turn it on and get it going, if you are into daily weather forecast, watches, warnings, hazardous weather, any kind of weather-related material, click subscribe. I'd appreciate it so much. Then click that bell and then make sure you check off all to get all my latest videos. And don't forget, Ann Dale Homestead at the Colony. Click show more. You'll find the link. Go check her out and tell her that Jewel sent you. As we turn on the radar, we do have this rain and thunderstorms over the southern plains today. We should have some lake effect snow downwind from the lower Great Lakes tonight, and it should run into tomorrow, Saturday. Rain and snow for the northwest through Sunday morning. The low pressure over the southern plains, it's going to slowly move southeastward to the Gulf of Mexico by tonight. Now, the system will produce rain and thunderstorms over parts of the southern plains, and that will move into the lower Mississippi Valley by this afternoon and into the central Gulf Coast by Saturday morning. Now, the rain's going to linger over parts of the central Gulf Coast and the southeast through Sunday morning. We have a deep upper level low over southeastern Canada. It's going to steer upper level energy over the lower Great Lakes through Sunday. The cold air will filter over the lower Great Lakes, producing lake effect snow downwind from Lake Erie and Ontario late tonight into tomorrow night. Now, the snow will extend into the Green Mountains and the Adirondacks also. And a front just off the northwest coast. It should slowly move inland to the northern plains, roughly southwestward to southern California by Sunday. The system will produce rain along the Pacific Northwest coast for this morning and then move inland as snow develops over parts of the Cascades by this evening. Now, overnight tonight, rain and higher elevation snow will develop over parts of northern and central California, and that will end by Saturday evening. Overnight Saturday, snow will move into parts of the northern Rockies into Sunday. And furthermore, we got these gusty winds that are possible over still parts of Oregon and Northern California. Wind advisories and high wind warnings are in effect today, and I have all the watches and warnings up over on the community page. Please click show more. You'll find a link that you can go to them. Check it out. You know how to get to them. Check out all the watches and warnings going on. Have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. Please share this information with your family, your friends, and on your social media to help me keep people aware of what's going on. I'd appreciate it very much. Peace, love, and kindness to each and every one of you. Thank you for everything you do for me. I love you all. Thanks for watching.